solve for exponent x minus 1 divided by 2 exponent x plus 2 is equals to 8. So this is the question. This is the question. It says for x minus 1 divided by 2 x plus 2 is equals to 8. And we should solve. We should solve it. That's all it says. Okay. This is beautiful, very beautiful equation. Alright. So if we handle this question, then what we are going to do is to start, trying to remember some of the properties or principles of indices. Okay, it's beautiful. So let's see how we can break this equation down. The first thing I can see is 8. Okay, you can see 8, 4, and 2. 8, 4, and 2. So 8, 4, and 2. Okay, let's see. Recapitulate. Okay, do you remember that if you have a exponent x multiplying a exponent y, it's always given as a x plus y. So that is the multiplication. And similarly, if you have a to the exponent x dividing a to y, then we can say ax, alright, a minus y. So these are two properties that can help us to be able to solve this question with ease. But in the first place, okay, let's look at the top one. Here, we can look, the top one can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into bracket x minus 1, still dividing 2x plus 2 is equals to the 8. We can break it and say 2 raised to the power 3, just simple because 8 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Alright, I think so far we're cool. Now, if we apply the division, which is this one, we will say that since 2 on top and 2 at the bottom are the same, then we can say 2, common 2, is given as 2 into bracket x minus 1, okay, minus x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, let's recap. The last time we saw that if we have a raised to the power x, okay, and this equals a raised to the power y, then this implies that x is equals to y. If that is the case, let us look at our equation very well. Then we can see that we have 2 and 2 over here. Therefore, they are the same, so we can apply this. So, by so doing, we can see that 2 out, x minus 1 minus x plus 2 is equals to 3. So that we have resolved the equation, breaking it down, gotten rid of all the 2's. Yeah? Now, what do? We have to expand the equation. So let us expand. We have 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2 is equals to 3. Okay? So we're going to have, if we have done our expansion correct, okay, we have 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2 and it's equals to 3. So we have x, 2x minus x is x, and minus 2 is minus 4 equals to 3. So therefore, our x is equals to 7. It's the solution. Is the solution required. Okay, let's recap. First, this is the question given. This is a question given. Here's the question. Here's the question given. We have this. Okay, the 4 raised to the power x minus 1 and the 2 raised to the power x plus 2 is equals to 8. Then we tried to remember this equation. And why? Because we are going to make use of it. Then we apply this equation. First of all, we expanded the 4 over here. The 4 over here to 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power 2x minus 1. After that, we went back to apply the division 1. You see, from here, we move up to apply this 1. So that's the reason why the subtraction occurred. So 2, this and that, and after that we employ this. So our equation boiled down to 2 into bracket x minus 1 minus x plus 2. Then we did a simple expansion. Okay, so we have 2x minus x, which is x. The minus 4 minus 2 is minus 4 equals to 3. So x equals to 7 is the solution.